Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word doctrinaire. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The new party leader was criticized for being too doctrinaire in his approach, refusing to consider any alternative perspectives. Doctrinaire refers to someone who rigidly adheres to a particular set of beliefs or principles, often without considering other viewpoints or options. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.